What is going on, everybody? James Blue Eyed Tech coming in here, and today I'll be unboxing the battery base for the Echo Dot 4 by GGMM. I do believe they also make one for the Echo Dot 5, but this base here will essentially make it so you can take your Echo Dot wherever you want, and you can actually plug it into the existing cable you actually have for your Echo Dot, which is really awesome. I personally use my Echo Dot paired with another Echo Dot in my living room for a kind of a budget stereo system I have for my TV, which sounds way better than the regular TV speakers. And if you guys want to see a video on that, please let me know down below, and I'll show you guys how to set that up. But when you open this up, first thing you'll see here is the wipes that you'll get in order to clean off the bottom of your Echo Dot, because you will be attaching a magnet with some adhesive that will actually make it so it's more stable on the base. But you also get the base here as well, and just below that you also get a thank you card from GGMM as well as the user's guide. So this is the battery base right here. It actually just feels pretty well made. It does not feel like it's made by cheap plastic or anything. The magnet will also be attached to it, holding on a piece of paper that actually will show you kind of a visual of what you need to do in order to attach the magnet to the bottom of your Echo Dot. Once you clean off your Echo Dot, you'll just need to attach the magnet right here to the center of your Echo Dot at the bottom. And once that is done, you'll be ready to actually put it onto the battery base and just plug it in. So once everything's all plugged in, you'll notice that there are going to be two ports still open. There's going to be the 3.5 jack, and on the base itself, you'll see the power port where you can actually plug in the Echo Dot charging cable, where you can actually charge up the base while being able to use your Echo Dot at the same time. Now, the great thing is you can actually get 6 to 7 hours of battery, depending on how much you use the Echo Dot while it's being operated on the base alone, which is actually pretty cool. Obviously, the more you use it, the higher the speaker volume is, the more battery you'll use. So if you don't really use it that much, you'll probably get the most out of your battery naturally. Or if you listen at a lower volume, you'll definitely get closer to that 6 hours of use. Unless if you're blasting it at 100%, then you're obviously going to get a lower battery life. Now, the great thing I do like about this that other ones didn't seem to have when it comes to these battery bases, that on the front, you'll see that there is actually a button that actually will allow you to turn on and off the device, as well as 3 LED light indicators letting you know how much charge is on this base. So if you want to be able to preserve the battery and not have to constantly plug it in all the time, you can just turn off the speaker and only turn it on when you want to use it, and that will definitely prolong the battery life. All right, so now that we have it plugged in and right now it's turning on, let's ask Alexa some things and just see how well this works without any wires attached to it at all. Alexa, what's the weather in San Francisco, California?
Currently, in San Francisco, California, it's 51 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect partly sunny weather with a high of 72 degrees and a low of 51 degrees.
All right, so this has been my unboxing and test of the battery base for the Echo Dot 4 by GGMM. If you guys want to pick up yourselves one of these, I will leave a link down in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, it's been James Blue Eyed Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.